Today, I'm finally showing you the install for the Lumary Permanent Eaves Lights Max. Let's get to it. Okay, I posted my original review for this product almost a year ago. And in that video, I said that I would make a video about installing these lights at a later date because my family was considering moving. Well, we moved and I have one section of lights installed. Now, I installed these lights almost 2 months ago now when it was still warm outside. I recorded it and then just did nothing with it because I was hoping to get some more sections installed and I just didn't get around to it. The reason why, well, I'll get to that here in a minute, but for now, let's just get these installed. First things first, I had to get everything that I would need and move my kids' toys out of my way. For this install, I need a rag, some isopropyl alcohol, and a jig that I made to space the lights away from my house. This time, I went with 4 inches. Install is super easy. First, I'd put some alcohol on the rag and then wipe off the area where I wanted to stick the LED. While this was drying, I could take the paper off the adhesive and then I could use my jig to get the distance from the house. Once the LED was stuck, I could move on to the next one. And as you can see, it is very simple. Especially with this jig, I was able to get them up pretty quick. And the jig I made is really simple. It's a 1x2 that I drilled into to make a half circle so that the LEDs could sit right inside of it. After that, I got the controller temporarily mounted. And I say temporary because I think I'm going to run the wire through this wall that you see on the left because that goes right into my garage. So to get a cleaner look, I think I'll run it through the wall and have the controller inside. And look at that, just like that, it's done. Now, I know you may be thinking, wow, what a half job. And I would agree with you. Like I mentioned, I wanted to keep going, but from where that section ended to where the next section begins, I need to go up to the eaves above my garage. And the pitch of my roof is just too steep for me to be walking out on. So I plan on renting a lift. I just wasn't able to do that before it got cold. So here we are. I do really like how these turned out. I think they look really good. I'm really excited to get the rest of them installed, but for now, this will have to do. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and as always, stay curious, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.